Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F158. So what is this and how can we get rid of it? So the F158 error is an overheating error. So the machine has sensed that it has overheated, so it will shut down so that it can cool down. So all you really need to get rid of this error, first of all, is just turn it off, leave it off, and let the machine cool down. A couple things you can do to keep it from coming back is make sure you're using it in a ventilated enough area so that the hot air can get out of the whatever the space is. And also, think about it if you're using it in a situation where it's very, very hot, and especially if you're using it over and over, doing cycles over and over and over again, you might have this overheating error. But anyways, no panic. The F158 error is just an overheating error, so the main thing you just need to do to get it working again is to let it cool down. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.